Your Wi-Fi router is designed to give your home unstoppable connectivity. In this video, you'll learn how taking a little time to fine-tune your setup will result in a big boost for your home Wi-Fi. No technical expertise required. Uninterrupted connectivity starts by finding the perfect spot for your Wi-Fi router. Start by choosing a location that's not too close to a wall. An open, central location is great. Keeping it off the floor and somewhere elevated, like the top of a bookshelf. Avoiding the temptation to hide the router away and minimizing any other obstructions around it. And finally, keeping it away from kitchen appliances and other electronics or metal objects. Other networks and devices can interfere with your Wi-Fi, but knowing some simple setting tweaks can make a big difference. You can configure your Wi-Fi network using your Wi-Fi app. Nokia Wi-Fi routers support dual-band devices, so they will automatically always choose the best band and channel available. Wi-Fi usually works best at 5 GHz, as it has many more channels and much less interference, but some older devices may only use 2.4 GHz. If you're still experiencing frequent dropouts and slow speeds, then rebooting the router might be the quickest solution. To reboot, use the mobile app or press the small, recessed button on the router itself. Finally, the Nokia Wi-Fi app has a useful health check feature that is well worth checking out, as it offers even more tips on how to improve your connectivity. If you have a large home, thick walls, or lots of mobile devices that you simply can't do without, then adding something known as a mesh network could be a great solution. This involves chaining together multiple access points to create one seamless network, or mesh. The first access point usually connects to your modem, so you may need to use a longer Ethernet cable if they are not both in the same room. The rest of the access points are placed around your home, wherever you need Wi-Fi. With automatic routing, you'll be kept connected to whichever access point has the strongest signal. Meaning, you can roam from room to room without ever losing connectivity. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this useful. For more tips on how to boost your home Wi-Fi, visit wifi-helpcenter.nokia.com.